Okay, these videos were created with the Xiaomi E camera, and the Xiaomi E camera also creates these THM extension files. And let's see how to open these THM files. If I simply double click one of these files, then I get this window which asks me using which program should THM file be opened. If I double click it, it opens once more. Okay, so how to open them? They are JPEG files, so let's click on them and write a .jpg at the end of the file name, press enter, click yes to accept it, and now it's a JPEG. And of course it's a small one, but you can open them. It's 640 by 360, 0.2 megapixels only, but you can see the content of those files. If you don't see the THM extension, then go up here to the menu, let's say view, and file name extensions. If that one is unchecked, then the THM is still visible. Okay, the extension of these files are not visible. Okay, but if I check it now, MP4 is visible and that one is visible also. Okay, so let's right click, rename, go to the end, .jpg, press enter, yes, change it, and you can see the next image. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching and bye bye. You can even cut this down, and now it's a JPG JPEG. That's it. Bye bye.